Hello, everybody. We are going to learn the adverbs of frequency in this video. We use these adverbs to explain how many times we do something. We must position the adverb of frequency between the subject pronoun and the main verb. But with the verb to be, we position the adverb after the verb and not between. Okay, let's practice. She always goes to school by car. We usually speak English in our English class. They sometimes make mistakes with the present simple grammar. I hardly visit my friends in Barcelona. He never scores a goal when he plays football. Remember, everybody, that each adverb explains a different type of frequency, and they are always 100%, usually 80%, sometimes 50%, hardly 10%, never 0%. If we want to ask a question about how many times someone does something, we use the adverb often in the interrogative. How often do you play football? Every day? How often do you visit your grandparents? Okay, everybody, we have finished the adverbs of frequency video. It is important to watch the video many times and to continue practicing with the exercises and the related grammar page. Good luck and happy studying.